Hello and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy, and today we're going to be making a DIY Christmas ornament wreath. I've always wanted to make one of these, and I had plenty of ornaments, so that's what we're going to do. I have a 14-inch wreath frame that I believe I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover it with this red burlap. I think that came from Hobby Lobby, maybe last year. And I'm going to zip tie it to get it started. You're just going to need to gather up whatever color scheme ornaments, different sizes. I used some large, some medium, small. Some came from Walmart, some came from Dollar Tree, and then I also end up using some, it's vase filler. It's like glitter vase filler that I got from Dollar Tree. And these are just really to however, full you want. So I'm just wrapping this around to give me a base, something to attach the ornaments to. And I'm going to start with these. These are maybe medium size. And I take the little cap thingy off, or I don't know what those are called. But all these are shatterproof ornaments. And it's best if you use Gorilla Hot Glue. And you're going to use a lot of hot glue. So I'm putting a lot. And it doesn't matter for me that that cap thing is pointing up because of the way I fill it in. And you want to hold them down. And then try not to move it any more than you absolutely have to. I'm working on another project, and I'll probably have it uploaded within a couple of days because I need to get some more Christmas DIYs done. Because it will be here before we know it. If you're new here, I want to welcome you, and I hope if you like the content, you'll consider subscribing and doing all the, like, comment, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified. But, when you hit it, you need to hit it to all so you'll be notified when I upload, because I normally upload on Wednesdays, but I've learned that because we don't we don't have the greatest internet. For some reason, I think it's because I'm mostly here by myself on Tuesdays. So I'm going to upload this tomorrow, which is Tuesday. And then I'm going to work on another, well, I'm working on another one. And just trying to keep them shorter. And now I've taken these larger ornaments and placed those in between where I put the medium-sized ones. I like this color scheme a lot. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really, really appreciate you guys. I love your comments. I've seen people do these different ways. And by the time I get so much stuff on there, like I said, you won't see those, the openings to the ornaments where I took those ornament hangy things off. And these are my social media, TikTok, Instagram. I'm still having a hard time figuring out Instagram and TikTok. But I'm trying. Now I'm just taking these smaller red bulbs. I have everything but the kitchen sink out here. And I've placed some smaller red ones, some smaller silver ones, and now I'm taking some of that glitter vase filler and just filling in any gaps. I had some silver stars that came from Dollar Tree. And wear your finger protectors. Oh, I burned my finger so bad. And it was right there. I kept taking it off. But when you're working with this smaller stuff, it's kind of hard with a finger protector on. And then I still go around, like there's one of those silver stars. And I go on the inside where you can see that red, and I put more of the vase filler and other little ornaments. But when it gets to this point, I'm putting the glue down in there instead of directly on the ornament. Just whatever makes better contact. I had some that I didn't get glued real well. I think those are the ones where I burned my finger and I let go. And I think these are really pretty. They're festive. And like I said, I've always wanted to make one. I just never had. I was considering doing like a crescent, like half of it, or a crescent shape with the ornaments. And then I had a snowman yard stake face that I was going to put on one side, but I just decided to go ahead and finish it up with the ornaments. And you've got to go around and get all of your glue strings. It makes a glue string mess. And one looks like a disco ball. I wish I had had more of the black, like in smaller ones. There, I've got my finger protector on, but I'm using the other finger. So this is just pretty much just doing however you want to do it. This thing is huge, and I don't know if I show it, but I end up taking some wire, and I go through the burlap on the back and make a hanger for it, because it's heavy, even though these are those shatterproof, and the ornaments themselves aren't real heavy, but once you get that whole thing done, it gets pretty heavy. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and like I said, I'm working on another one, just trying to keep my projects condensed, and I'll have that uploaded within a couple of days. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and if you're new, consider subscribing, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.